Kia ora TNS family, welcome to Rarotonga. Okay family, it's your favourite Sera.
And of course it's your boy Tuxx.
I don't know if you can hear, the wind is coming in strong. I think it's about to rain. Rarotonga is coming out of a wet season. But TNS family, Tuxx is gonna shoot off quickly to get our rental. He was meant to leave at 11. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of slept until 12.
So much well-needed rest for both of us.
I'm like on island time, so I'm gonna finish off the second vlog. It is kind of finished, so I'm just gonna re-watch it and then upload it onto YouTube. But Tuxx is gonna go and take you with him to see a little bit of the island. I told him just to show you guys a little bit of the town, and then he'll come back and pick me up. And by then the other vlog will be up.
But yeah, family, so I'm just gonna duck and dash in the fast taxi over here. I'll even let you know on the prices and whatever if I can. And yeah, it's starting to rain. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but it is pissing down.
I'm gonna get wet.
Alright.
For you guys. Let's go.
Run. Alright family, so made it into a taxi. I totally forgot to say bye to Sera because I got into a chat with the brother at the reception. I'm in a taxi right now. I'm with Uncle Bill from Downtown Taxis family. So when you're in Rarotonga, ask for my uncle here, Uncle Bill, and he'll look after you. So we're just making our way down to Rarotonga Rentals, which is opposite the airport, and gonna have a chat to one of the mamas there. If she can hook us up with a little rental, you know, something light. But yeah, alright family. Guys, Rarotonga Rentals, you won't miss it. So yeah, let's see if we can suss out a nice little deal for us, so me and Sis can get a little bit cozy. It's a bit dark, isn't it? The camera's clean up, man. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I'll make my way in. Let's go.
10 seconds later.
Alright fam, so I tried to record in there, but Auntie wasn't having it. She goes, hey, you should have told me that you're coming in with the camera, because I would have done my face. And I go, you know what, I'm going to respect your policies, I'm going to respect you. Auntie was very kind. It's a little backstory. My brother Nga told me to come here because Nana used to come here a lot, and she built a bit of a friendship with the auntie here, and it came to a point where anytime she'll drive past, she'll just stop in, have a chat, and then be on her way to do things. So yeah, when I went in, she looked at my when she was registering my name in it, she's like, oh, Simpson, oh, do you know da 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 da? Then it just went boom, 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 boom. Okay, I got you. So yeah, she definitely had us. I'm not gonna disclose the actual discount that she gave me, but let's just say it was very friendly, very generous. Thank God for Nana for being able to network and make friends in the right places, eh? But I'm currently in the car that we have hired. I will show you guys a bit later on because I want to go and say hi to Nana just before we get on with our daily adventures. And I am on the phone with a very busy woman at the moment. Are you can I show you in work mode, or hello? Oh, there it is. Fam, she is busy at it trying to get the... Oh no, you're finishing it up, aren't you, my love?
I'm finishing it.
Alright, honey. Say bye to the family. For now. Kakite! Oh, did he lose it? He put it. Are you hungry? No. Are you sure? You want me to go buy you some food? Say Papa. So like I was saying to Papa, the bro now was telling me that Nana used to wake up, her daily routine was she'll wake up and then she'll freshen up, whatever, and she'll go down to Super Brown, which is the shop. I was a bit too late for the donuts, so the lady's like, oh, you gotta come in early in the morning, hence the reason why Nana would have went early in the morning. So then I got the next thing that she does like. It's not, she actually likes biggins. She loves biggins, but she'll go through her phases. She likes biggins, and this is the closest one to the biggins at the moment. And I thought I'd bring it down to her, just say good morning. See your chips. I'll leave this here for you, Nana. Good morning from the family. Turned out very nice. The fella's done a great job. What's up, brother? Oh, he did do the hair. Let's go. So you fam, I'm coming down here to top up my phone because on, was it Tuesdays and Thursdays? Actually, you'll be able to tell the people the promotion days.
Well, we know because you got the locals tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, so Thursdays. So today it's 15 for 15. So $15 will get you 15 gigs for 5 days.
There it is, fam. 5 days, 15 gigs, bro. Tell me, could I get one of those, please, my bro?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
You're good to go?
Sort of, fam. So like I said, family, when you're here in Raro, you need somewhere to get your phone done. Come and see the bro Ben down at Vodafone. He will help you. He'll give you the best service you need, man. And if you got it, bro, just ask the bro for a discount. Use my discount code down below now, yeah. But thank you very much, Benny. God bless you, bro. Thank you for your help. And just like that, fam, I just walked in, boom, 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 told him what I needed. Alright fam, so we finally come out the room, just had to do some stuff, and I want to get wife's reaction to the car. Yeah. Okay. Ready? That's our car there?
Yeah. That's cute, baby.
Cute? Yeah. Alright, jump in this side, you're on that side.
I'm on this side.
Hold up. Hey, you ready? Shaky.
Why is it shaky like that?
Have to put my seatbelt on, you don't have to. But we do advise safety at all times.
Yes, but apparently I don't have to because we're in the islands now.
The islands, man, but
Tuxx is getting annoyed at that beeping. I'm gonna put on the seatbelt and then we'll get back to you.
Oh, there, what a chill.
Alright family, so the people here at SIMPSON Takeaway have got our food ready and it looks very nice, doesn't it, my love?
Look at this burger. So I think this is my burger, which is the island burger. It's coconut crumbled chicken piece, pawpaw, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, red onion, and sauce. This one is my husband's. He got
The works.
then we got hot chips, calamari. This is prawn, and this here is my Hokkien noodles.
That looks really yum. Chips are very yum. Calamari. That's wonderful. Hold on, buddy. Some of Sera's Hokkien noodles and chicken and prawn. That was honey soy. Now the burger. Let me know how you guys attack burgers like these, where you just can't hold it properly. Do you keep this inside? Or do you break it up? Do you take one patty off or whatever? I think maybe the one leave the stick in. I'm going in. Make it fit.
Hey! Look who just came. Hi, B. We came. We just got busted having a holdout set.
how long it takes to get around the island?
How long does it take to get around the island?
Half an hour.
Half an hour.
Alright family, so my bro recommended that the mango slushy was the one to get. This is the place to get it. So I got one for me, one for the bro. Bro's on the second one. Caesar's on one. B's already finished her one. So we're gonna go in, have a little taste. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What do you rate it?
Give it a
I give it like, it's like boost.
high 8.
I'm a 10 honey.
Very mango, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice.
15 minutes later.
Guys, Uncle Nga with his girlfriend B on the back.
Right off into the sunset, young lovers.
They're so cute, those two. Okay fam, so we just finished eating. We're gonna shoot off to Papa's house. We've got to go do some stuff there, but let's go.
Okay guys, so now we're back at Papa's. She's gonna take the food inside. She's gonna go see what Papa's doing. Oh, look at Pops. Oh man, this guy's always doing something. What are you doing, Papa? Getting some bananas ready. Oh. Hey. Yeah, Tofi. What? Oh, see. Just inside your eyes. Oh. Oh, you want to? Oh. First class service for this boka. Oh, should we do?
She's not Laka, honey. She only likes Papa. Look, look. She literally follows him.
Pigs are smart to live with.
I know, that's what I thought too. So what's happening?
So right now, Papa's pig Vaina Papa. He's gonna have a bath, mud bath.
Vaina pa'a. What?
Vaina Papa.
Means
White girl.
White girl. Oh my
White
god.
Oh, eh? You don't like it? Alright guys, so just walking down to the smaller pigs that Papa's got with some of the leftover food. So they've got a bit of like salad, they've got heaps of taro here, got a donut. So the instructions were clear, don't put it all in one spot, spread it out. You can see them already, they already know what time it is. Hey! See if I can just give one. Wow. Okay. Okay, be careful. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Move back, move back. Eating, eating. Nice. Oh, these are lucky, man. Some of the pigs just get coconut. You guys get the whole works, hey? Sheesh. The big guys gotta wait till later.
It's 01 p.m.
Yo fam, so once again we are getting a little feed. We just come back from Papa's house and we're making our way back to the motel. Feeling a little hungry here, you know, so before we stop in here to the slipway, the bro's sorting us out. Take all the stuff here.
Honey, what else do you want? Do you want a sandwich?
Sandwich,
So 1 chicken and rice, 1 fish and chips, 3 crab sticks, 4 calamari, 1 Rarotonga and 1 nuggets. That comes to $51.
Okay guys, so we're here at this food truck place. It's called Slipway. Slipway, and it's like kind of like on the main road. Maybe like 5 minutes from where Papa lives. And I've been dying to try this place, but every time we came, like, we'll drive past and it's actually closed. But this slipway, it sits like on the blue waters towards, like the board, where the boats are. The waterfront. It's like a waterfront over here. We'll come in the daytime so you can see what it actually looks like. They have like their eating area over here. There's some eating area under the tree. And just a whole lot of car parks.
Alright fam, so we got back to the room and kind of forgot to turn the vlog on. But we're going to show you guys the food, and we've got a special guest with us during dinner. He's been very good to us. We asked him to do a bit of a favor and the bro just went above and beyond. So anyways, here he is. Hey my bro! How's the babysitting go? Or the house sitting?
Oh, it's good, alright. You know, just gotta make sure all the lights are on.
Make sure the power's still on, eh, bro?
Yeah, just making all the power's like painful. Like getting used. Okay. Alright, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Too good.
This here is a Raro kebab. It's a pita bread. Can you guys see that?
Yeah, they can see that.
I'm gonna try it.
What are we saying? What are we saying?
Let me get some milk. It's different, but when you say kebab, that's not a kebab, no offense. But it's still nice. There's no kebab.
Rice and chicken, but I forgot what kind of sauce she said that was gonna go on the top. First.
Mushroom sauce.
Mushroom sauce, I did that.
That one's good. That one's good, fam. Okay, fam, I'm gonna try the fish. Okay, to be honest, I already bit it and it's, oh, I'm gonna bite it again and give you my actual reaction. So fresh. So fresh. Honestly, that's the best fish I've had here, ever.
Yeah, I got that calamari ring. Yeah, man, that's fresh, right? Fresh.
I've got the seafood stick. These are always good.
Last but not least, she's given us these cinnamon rolls. She gave it for free, so shout out to the mama at Slipway. God bless you guys.
And free food always tastes good.
Oh, and these kind of things, I love these kind of things, so I'm gonna go in. Bro, that's really yum.
For real? Just a
Cinnamon
close
roll.
up cinnamon roll. Wow.
Quite happy with this, guys.
Guys, to be honest, This was really good, honey.
I've got to say that out of all the places that we've tried here, this is going to be one of the better ones.
Hey, Palace is still up there.
It is, but I feel like this one is hitting the spot right now. I'm going to give this place a 9. If you come to Raro, come check this place out. Slipway.
Slipway.
Slipway. Slipway? You're getting it wrong. So yeah.
Okay, we're gonna finish this food and we'll be back. Okay fam, so after dinner we just put on some like cash clothes, whatever, and we thought we'll come out and use the pool table here in the reception. Guys, loser has to give the other person a foot massage. Why do they need to see the balls? I don't know what he's talking about, but I'm winning. I'm winning. But yeah, guys. Honey, are you sweating? He's not sweating, I'm sweating.